What's up my peoples, it's Mohammed here from tekkerreviews, back again with another video. So you may have seen my previous video where I modded my PS5 controller by replacing the current shell with an all gold one. Well, in today's video I'm going to do the exact same thing again, but only this time with my Xbox Series X controller using the Extreme Rate shell replacement kit. You're going to see an unboxing and full end-to-end setup process. So if you find this video helpful or simply enjoyed watching it, then feel free to hit that like button below and subscribe to the channel if you want to stay up to date each time I release a new vid. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Right, so first things first, let's check out the packaging. Now when the items arrived, they came inside a large envelope which was separated into 3 different packages. The first one contained the front faceplate as well as tools and screws for installation. The second package contains the back shell with tools and screws for installation again. And finally, the third package, which contains the side plates and tools for installation. Now before we get started with the installation, just make sure you do all your research before attempting this and have a clean working area. Start by grabbing your prying tool and remove the side covers. Next, remove the battery cover and then remove the sticker here to expose the hidden screw. Once done, grab your screwdriver and remove the 5 screws shown here.
What you got in that bag? Candy cigarettes and a Playboy mag. Many used to have to work for that.
From here, once the screws are removed, the front and back faceplates should easily come off. And that's pretty much it guys, disassembly complete. Now that we have the controller shell removed, we can now start by installing the new gold faceplates. Start by placing the controller internals into the back shell first. And then add your front faceplate. Next, install the screws back in again. And then finalize by adding the side plates. Make sure you push down on the sides to confirm everything is locked in, and you should be good to go from here. Overall, I am super happy with my new Xbox Series X controller and pleased with the way the final product turned out. The replacement shell fits in perfectly and was super easy to install, which was way easier than the PS5 controller. All buttons work great without any issues and is just aesthetically pleasing to look at. My only complaints, just like the PS5 controller, is that the replacement shell is definitely a fingerprint magnet and I feel like you lose a little grip in comparison to the old one. However, drawbacks aside, if that doesn't bother you and you just want to customize your controller like I did, then the Extreme Rate shell replacement kit is a mod you should definitely look into. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Xbox Series X gold shell replacement kit from Amazon for around £33, and you can find the links to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me guys. What are your thoughts on controller modding, and is a shell replacement kit something that you would do to your Xbox Series X controller? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from tekkerreviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.
Yo, what you got in that bag? Candy cigarettes and a Playboy mag. Many used to have to work for that.